So to make our rain gauge, we're going to need to find either a plastic bottle from your recycling, a see-through plastic cup, or a real see-through glass from your cupboard if you don't have one of the other two. And then we're going to need to use a ruler. Rain is measured usually in millimeters, and that's these tiny little lines here. So that 10 means that that is 10 millimeters. 20 would be 20 millimeters, and each of those lines in between is 1. So if it only goes up to that first little line, that's only 1 millimeter. So we're going to use that to make our own little ruler on the paper. You can use pencil or you can use Sharpie like I did here. And you only need to do this if you are using the real glass, because we don't want to draw on the real glass with Sharpie. So the first thing we're going to do actually is add some stones. So you need to get some little tiny stones to add to the bottom. The only reason we do this is so that the bottle doesn't blow away outside. It weighs it down so that it won't get knocked over by the wind. There we go. So then we need to add water to cover the stones. And you can see the line right here where the water goes to. So that is going to be our starting point. So we're going to make a mark right on our recycling bottle with a Sharpie. So we can draw right on there. So that's the starting point. And then you're going to draw the rest of your ruler with a real ruler. You can draw right on there with Sharpie. Crayola markers won't work because they'll wash right off. So it has to be a permanent marker. So you're going to draw your ruler, and then you're going to find a spot outside. And here's one that's already done. This was using a paper one. So it starts, the 0 mark right on the bottom here starts at the top of the water line. So that's our start point. So we're going to see how many millimeters of rain we get when we get a rainy day, which might be on Thursday. So if you get this ready now and put it outside somewhere where it's not under a tree, it has to be kind of out in the open, maybe on a picnic table or out on a patio, somewhere protected where it won't get knocked over by a dog or a pet. And just leave it there and then check it when it's raining. You can go out while it's raining and see how much you're getting during the rainstorm, or you can wait till the rain is all over and then go see how much we got. So we are supposed to have a rainy day this week, and I'm curious to see how much rain you get in Brantford, because I don't live in Brantford, I live in Dundas. So I'm going to check mine in my backyard, and then we can compare. We can see who gets more rain, Brantford or Dundas.